Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your CoinMarketCap account. If you want to close your CoinMarketCap account permanently, then you can follow these steps carefully. First of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device and log in. After you are signed into your account that you want to delete, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. Soon after you do that, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for Delete Account button, which should be located under Face ID. Tap on Delete Account and then click on the little square box to acknowledge that you'd like to delete your personal data, including the CoinMarketCap diamonds, watchlist, and portfolio. After you do that, click Confirm and you will be able to receive an email in your registered email address. Open up the email and then click Open the email from CoinMarketCap to verify it. Copy the verification code inside it and get back to the app and enter the verification code in the text box. Soon after you do that, your account deletion will be initiated. You can then go ahead and delete your CoinMarketCap application or uninstall it from your device. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.